You can't see molecules, but your hands already know their secrets. Why trust your hands over a machine? Because machines can't think, you can. Your practical skills, they don't just get you a grade. They define you as a scientist. How does concentration change the speed of a reaction? Watch the sulfur cloud. What if timing a cloud could unlock a hidden law of nature? Let's find out. This is the independent variable, concentration. You change it on purpose. Now guess which reacts fastest. The dependent variable, what you measure. In a titration, it's the volume from the burette. Control variables, keep them constant. Change only the independent variable. That's a fair test.
Always write your investigation question first. Clear question, clear method, better marks.
List your variables before your method. Independent, dependent, control. Simple, powerful. Line graph or bar chart. The answer is in your independent variable. Continuous or categoric. Continuous variable, any value possible. Categoric, named groups only. That decides your graph. Continuous independent variable, your points connect into a smooth line. The curve tells a story. Categoric independent variable, draw a bar chart, never connect the bars. There's no between categories. Numbers on the x-axis, line graph. Names on the x-axis, bar chart. Check before you draw. Burette lines every 0.10 cm3, read to the nearest 0.05 cm3. Always estimate the half. Thermometer marked every 1 dcc, read to the nearest half degree, 24.5, not 24 or 25. Tightly grouped marks, read to the nearest line. Wide spacing, use half divisions. Know the difference. Range is min to max. Interval is the step between. Choose them carefully, they affect your graph. Precise, group together. Accurate, close to true value. Aim for both. That's the gold standard. Titration, the classic quantitative task. One drop changes everything. Watch the meniscus. Gas syringe, measuring cylinder, always read at eye level. Parallax error kills accuracy. Burette readings, always estimate to half the smallest division. That extra digit earns marks. Different thermometers, different rules. Check the scale, then decide, half division or nearest line. Parallax error, avoid it by reading at eye level every single time. 1 degree off and your result is wrong. Digital balance, close the draft shield, wait for the last digit to stop flickering. Patience, precision. Volumetric pipette, fill to the mark, drain naturally, touch the tip to the wall. Never blow out the last drop. Repeat measurements, 3 times at least. Look for the odd one out. That's your anomalous result. Anomalous result, it doesn't fit the pattern. Identify it, find the cause, then justify ignoring it.
Precise and accurate, that's the gold standard. Your aim in every practical, both.
Qualitative task, describe every detail. Color, precipitate, gas, smell. Every observation is a clue. Cation tests, add sodium hydroxide, watch the precipitate color. Blue, green, brown, white, each tells a story.
1 reagent, 5 different results, that's how you identify cations.
Lime water test, carbon dioxide turns it milky. No change, not CO2. Simple, definitive.
Gas tests, hydrogen, squeaky pop. Oxygen, relights a glowing splint. CO2, extinguishes flame.
Litmus, red for acid, blue for alkali. Universal indicator gives the full pH rainbow, from red acid to purple alkali. Plan first. Question, independent, dependent, control. Then your table. Planning saves experiments. Fill the burette, remove the funnel, run to 0. No air bubbles, no hanging drops. Ready to titrate. Thermometer, hold by the top, stir gently, don't touch the bottom or sides, and never hold the bulb. Weighing, use a spatula, add slowly, tap gently. Clean the pan after every use. Contamination ruins accuracy. Label everything. Concentration, date, your initials. Never trust your memory. A labeled bottle is a safe bottle. Feeling lost? Go back to the question, list your variables, then act. That checklist saves your grade. Volumetric flask, make up to the mark exactly, then invert 20 times. No shortcuts. Precision is everything. One graph gets marks, the other gets the bin. The choice is yours. Make it a good one. From messy to master, that's the journey. Start your next practical like a pro. Every great chemist started with one good practical. Why not you? You now have the tools. Go into that lab and own it. See you next time.